last episode, we departed from Honolulu, Hawaii, flying to Tokyo, Haneda, Japan. Then we caught a domestic flight to Sapporo Shitose Airport in Hokkaido, Japan. This episode, we visit Sapporo Snow Festival at Odori Park. Then we enjoy a special seafood donburi and live crabs at the Kitano Gurumetei, a local seafood warehouse market. Then after lunch, we go to visit the Hokkaido Shrine situated in Okurayama Park. Then we go to Mount Okura, the 90-meter ski jump competitions of the Winter Olympics in 1972. From our hotel, the Sapporo Snow Festival at Odori Park was 2 blocks away, so we all walked to the festival. Hey guys, I'm at the 2024 Sapporo Snow Festival. The Sapporo Snow Festival was started in 1950 when high school students built a few snow statues, and it has since developed into a world-class event, attracting more than 2 million visitors to Sapporo. The 2024 is the 74th Sapporo Snow Festival that welcomes visitors with 196 beautiful snow sculptures. There are 5 large snow sculptures, 78 of them made by the citizens of Sapporo. And then they also had an international snow sculpture contest with 9 teams from around the world gathered to compete. This is a medium sculpture, and you can guess who it is. It's Godzilla.
Good? Yeah, have a good one. Okay, you guys have a good one too.
Thoroughbred galloping towards glory. Hokkaido is a major producer of thoroughbred racehorses since the Meiji period, late 19th century. Boasting a long history, approximately 98% of the thoroughbreds produced in Japan are born in Hokkaido. Blue Eyes White Dragon, a character and ace monster from the anime Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Monsters. Of this year's large snow sculptures is Golden Kamui. Ice sculpture of the Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany. Hello Kitty's 50th anniversary, a snow sculpture of Sanrio, popular character Hello Kitty, who has celebrated her 50th anniversary. 2024 International Snow Sculpture Contest in several countries: Korea, Hawaii, Indonesia, Lithuania, Mongolia, Poland, sister Portland City, Singapore, and Thailand. Okay. This is the team from Hawaii that carved this ice. This is a stingray of deep blue ocean. The stingrays are a group of sea rays related to the shark family. Nice. From Team Hawaii. Sculpture made by Thailand. Team Thailand. The Naga Fireballs. In the middle of downtown, they got a smoking room. Smoking room only. Not outside, but in the smoking room. A special snow sculpture commemorating the Queen plus Adam Lambert Japan tour. This medium-sized snow sculpture commemorates the upcoming Queen and Adam Lambert concert tour of Japan. Their performance at Sapporo Dome on February 10, 2024 will mark Queen's first appearance in Sapporo in 42 years. I highly recommend you carry your passport with you. You have to show proof to get the tax-free benefits.
No, taking around Japan, Hokkaido, and yes, the Bering Sea. Okhotsk Sea and Bering Sea.
Oh, we each get one of these?
Alright, the ultimate raw seafood. So
That's all raw?
Crab seed, yeah. Sashimi like. Yeah.
I don't know if anything's cooked on there.
That's tuna right there. Salmon roll. We had just arrived at Hokkaido Shrine. It is situated in the Okurayama Park. The shrine enshrines 4 kami spirits worshipped in the Shinto religion, including in the soul of the Emperor Meiji. The soul of the Emperor Meiji was newly enshrined to the shrine in 1964, and the building was officially renamed to the current Hokkaido Shrine. Miko mentioned that there was a fresh mochi shop right outside the shrine, so we decided to go and get some fresh mochi. It was delicious.
Left hand side, do you see it? That's where we are going. Ready? And then if you want to take a look at some souvenir stuff, when we go up, this the tube-looking structure is at the steps in the elevator escalator. And then there is the place where I go get your tickets. They do have the toilet inside if you want to. After this place, we'll go back to the hotel. And then
visiting the Sapporo Olympic area, this high ski jump. We still use this for World Championships. but this is the ski jump. Yeah. They used this for the Olympics, in the Sapporo Olympics, I think in 1972. Hey everyone, I'm on a ski lift. Oh yeah. Hi guys, we're here at the Sapporo Ski Jump, where the Olympics was held at 1972, and they still use the ski jumps for World Cup championships and where the Japan team practices for the Winter Olympics. Alright, thank you for watching. You have anything to say out the record?
I'm glad I came back. It's a beautiful place.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I highly recommend coming. It's a yearly event to the Sapporo Winter Festival. It was great. Again, thank you to all my supporters and everyone who watched. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Until next time, I'll see you later. And remember, when possible, go outside and explore.